He's power. We're on a hill, so we push it. I do it out of habit.
Yeah.
It's just a fact.
You just want to see who's going to run into you.
You might have to get your hand on the tiller. Down, down. Just see where it turns up here to the right? Ignore it. Just go straight ahead. Just past it. That's it. Alright, now. Alright, now. You have to use the tiller. Slow it down a little bit. A little bit. Alright, there's the center line of the runway. Make the turn now. That's it. Hard right. Hard right. That's it. Hard right. Hard right. Hard right. Keep on, come on. Come on around. Come on around. Come on around. Come on around. Come on. That's it. That's more better. Come on back around some more. You ain't there yet. Okay, now. Now you're there. Now stop it. Right here.
Alright.
Alright. You play soccer? Or football? Alright. See the imaginary goalpost down there. Alright. You got 2 miles of runway. Almost 2 miles. 9,600 feet. 2 miles of runway. Imagine a goalpost down the other end. No matter what this airplane tries to do, your job is to put the nose through that goalpost. Now, you got a rudder back there that's about half the size of a tennis court. And it becomes effective at about 45 knots. If you jam that rudder, this airplane will hit that control tower about like that. So if you see it drifting off to the right or the left, you just nudge it back whichever way you want it to go. Don't use the tiller. You won't do that. Alright? Now, I'm going to use standard Delta callouts. When I say V1 rotate, when I say rotate, you can then, when I say V1, you can take your hand off the throttle. When I say rotate, you're just going to go 1 potato, 2 potato, 3. About like that. The airplane's going to pop off the ground. And I'll say positive rate right off my barrel altimeter. It's right here. And you're going to say gear up. Right. Alright? Now, one thing that you don't have to do with this airplane that you do with 172 is you don't have to push the nose down to get airspeed. It's going to accelerate. I promise you. Okay? Alright? Now, one thing else.
You don't need right pedal either because there's no P factor.
Yeah, there is no P factor. But it's one on one
It's not.
yeah, I'm not getting my heading select. That's what, oh, I know.
So are we going on M1 89% or just 4 plus?
Nope. You push power up to about 12 o'clock high. About like that. And the airplane's going to start to roll. And then when the power is stabilized, see the little micro switches right here?
Yeah.
You're going to push one of those micro switches. It doesn't matter which one. If your hand is here, you can push it with the pinky or the thumb. It doesn't matter. You'll feel the throttles come out of your hand. Just follow the throttles on up. The captain always keeps his hands on the throttle. First officer may push him up, but the captain will take him away. Okay? All right, you've got the aircraft. I'm going to drop my feet to the floor. You steer it just like you do any other airplane. Push power up to about 12 o'clock high and let it roll. Right on up. You don't even look at it. You don't even have to look. Down the road. There you go. Push right on up. Now push the button. Knots, thrust normal. V1.
V1.
Rotate. Right on back. Pause brake. Pause brake.
0.
You keep unloading the nose, it thinks it's a Skyhawk.
Gotta get that 80 knots, right?
Yeah.
Delta 2495, contact Talon. Departure. Delta 2495, contact departure. See y'all. Departure Delta 2495 is with you, sir. Climbing 2.3 to 10,000. Delta 2495, radar contact. 2495, right, sir. Just easy nose down a little bit. Accelerate. right now I'm following my flight, the system right here. It's
I
telling
see,
me what
okay.
speeds I need to be at. So what I need him to do is accelerate now at 250 knots. I'm pushing the nose down. I'm helping you a little bit. I'll push the nose. Yep.